Hi, I'm Spencer Paxton, and this is my cheese aging environment controller. Here's the inside of my controller. I've got the relays for running the humidifier in a fridge. There's a clock for keeping track of the age of the cheese, the IR receiver, there's a buzzer right there, and I've added some labels to my remote so I know what the buttons do. Here's the inside of the refrigerator, there's the DHT, and then there's the thermistor inside of the cheese. Alright, here's the LCD display. It shows the set temperature and humidity, as well as the actual temperature and humidity. And I can toggle between changing the humidity and the temperature, as well as showing whether the buzzer is muted or not. Okay, here's the LED display. It's used to show things about the cheese, like I can show the cheese temperature, as read by the thermistor that's put into the cheese. I can also show the cheese's age, which I set the age whenever I put a new cheese in, and it will list the age here in years, months, days, and hours. And if I put a new cheese in, I just press set age, and then the age sets to 0, so that I know how long the cheese I have in there has been in there. Alright, now we're going to show how these LEDs, the buzzer on the inside, and the relay controlling the fridge and the humidifier work in conjunction with the sensors in the fridge. Since temperature and humidity take so long to actually change, we're just going to simulate it by changing the settings here so that relative to the actual temperature, the actuators will respond. So I'm going to change this temperature here to above the actual temperature so that the refrigerator, which is currently on, you can hear it running in the background, will turn off. So I set the temperature to 59, and after a cycle of the code, the refrigerator turned off. Alright, now we're going to show a couple things here. I'm going to change the humidity so it's well above the actual humidity right now, so that our humidifier will turn on. It's off right now. But because I'm going to put it so far above it, we're going to have another reaction where this light will turn red and the buzzer will go off. So I'm going to set that to 90. There, so we heard the buzzer, it turned red, the humidifier is on now. Okay, the last thing is this yellow LED, which does the same thing as the red light, but for just the cheese. So I'm going to actually just put my fingers on this thermistor to heat it up, and now the yellow light turned on and we got 3 beeps.